The Motorola Razr has some competition, the nearly $1,400 Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. We have one right here. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So as you can see here, it's got the little Z on top, on the side. We got a couple little stickers. We got one up here. These are X-Acto knife. There we go. A little strong, that one. There we go. Slide that off. Okay, oh. So put that over here. Galaxy Z Flip. Very clever, Samsung. All right, tape is off. Let's open up the box. The future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flip. Samsung lets you know you just dropped $1,400 on a fancy phone. There you go, nice little piece of paper here. We'll put that to the side. Care instructions in the phone itself. Samsung obviously had a lot of problems with the Galaxy Fold and people removing a screen protector that was integral to the phone. What is it saying here? Let's see. Do not press the screen or the front camera lens with your hand or with a sharp object. Don't put it near keys or magnets. It's not water resistant, unlike the other Galaxy S phones. So we're gonna put this over here and we'll get to the phone in a second. Another piece of paper, Galaxy Z Premier Service, 24-hour concierge, and a 1-year screen replacement offer. Very nice. Again, $1,400 phone. Nice that Samsung's giving you a little extra care. AT&T SIM card, we got this from AT&T. It's also available at Sprint, at Samsung.com, Best Buy, Unlocked, or at one of those two carriers. Moving on, fast charger, USB-A. So it's a USB-C phone, but not a USB-C power adapter. We'll put that up here. Moving down, this guy, let's open this up. A USB-C to USB-A adapter. Put that over there. USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C, very nice. And lastly, AKG, these are probably the headphones. They are USB-C headphones and some extra tips so you can get a good fit for your ear. Very nice. There's everything in here, nothing underneath the box. So there you go. This is the Galaxy Z Flip unboxed. Hi everyone. Sorry, we're gonna interrupt the unboxing for just a second. We're actually putting everything away and we noticed something. Hidden inside the Flip portion of the box is this little Samsung thing. Now it may just seem like it's just the inside of the box. It's not. It's actually kind of important. So if we put our finger here, it's stuck in there real good. It has more documentation, a little SIM ejector tool. This has a physical SIM card, so you have a little paperclip type object to take that out. And more importantly, there's actually a case for the Flip, which is really nice. So you got some, again, more documentation, terms and conditions, in case you didn't agree to it the first couple of times, a reminder to sign up for AT&T's protection, and then a case. The case is actually really useful because as the more we use this thing, it really is pretty slippery. So we've got a case here. It's a little plastic. Here we go. This one just goes right here on the bottom. And this with a little cutout over here goes right there on the top. And just like that, you have a little case for your $1,400 Galaxy Z Flip. Again, if you are buying the Z Flip, make sure to look in the top here. It probably won't pop out. It's stuck in there pretty good. There you go. Now, back to the video. Let's compare it to the box that comes with the Motorola Razr. This is the Razr box from Motorola, $1,500 on Verizon. Also available now, though like the Z Flip, good luck trying to find it, at least initially. Supplies are not easy to find. We actually had to send our producer Brian out to Queens to get our Z Flip. So there's the Razr. You take off that premium casing and you have a nice little dock here with what looks like a glasses case, but it really holds all the accessories. We'll put this to the side here. Let's get to the main event. But first we gotta take off this plastic. So we got a little slip up here. We have a slip over here. There we go. A little warning comes off. And there's our fingerprint sensor that doubles as a power button. Let's turn this on. There we go. So on the initial first impression, it feels a lot sturdier compared to the plastic Motorola Razr. This is made out of a combination of metal and glass. The screen on here is glass as opposed to plastic. There's the AT&T logo. Again, we bought this from AT&T. You can actually, while it's booting up, there's a little Samsung. Front screen over here, dual cameras, flash, and already getting a lot of fingerprints, and we held it for maybe 10 seconds. All right, screen's a little bright. I don't know if I can adjust it, but this is the setup process. We're just gonna skip through here, agree to everything, skip the Wi-Fi. You can do fingerprint, a pin, a pattern, face recognition. There's the front camera over there. We're not gonna protect the phone now, we'll deal with this later. Don't need to bring in old stuff. Don't need to sign into Samsung. All done, excellent. Another reminder, after you finish all of the many steps, that you should be very careful with this phone. It's $1,400, but it is fragile. Not water resistant, not dust resistant, and don't put screen protectors on this because that again could damage the folding screen. Also magnets, doesn't like magnets. All right, oh, that's much better. Let's lower the brightness either way. Bring that down a little bit. There you go, now we're inside. Handful of AT&T apps over here, My AT&T for managing your account, Call Protect for blocking spam, and AT&T Thanks, a reward program, visual voicemail over there, and Game of Thrones, because you have to have a Game of Thrones game. Handful of Samsung apps, but otherwise largely Google. There's a Spotify app here and a Facebook app, but not too bad. Now scrolling through here, you don't really notice the crease. We're on a white screen here, so you could see it if you look at it from an angle. There is a little crease where the phone folds, and if we obviously fold it a little bit, that becomes much more pronounced. But again, when you have it fully open, you don't feel it as much as you do on the plastic Motorola Razr. Let's close this thing. There's that satisfying closing sound. Little front screen here, as we mentioned before, next to the two cameras. If you double click the power button, you can actually use this to take selfies. Don't know why you'd want to use this tiny screen for selfies, but if you did, you have the option, so that's nice. There we go, we can obviously open it up. The camera app is one of the many that takes advantage of the dual screen. So you can have your camera controls there, and then prop this as a selfie, as a way to take a selfie like that, which is a much better use. Otherwise, that's basically it. This is the Galaxy Z Flip, $1,380 available now from AT&T, Sprint, Samsung, and Best Buy. You can get it on Sprint or AT&T or unlocked. It works on T-Mobile and Verizon. We're going to put this through its paces, so stay tuned to CNET for the full review. Want more folding phones? We have an unboxing of the Motorola Razr right over here. And if you want more Samsung, we have a hands-on with the Galaxy Z Flip right over here. I'm going to go keep playing with this now and folding it because it's fun. Just fold. One hand, fold. Call me. No, fold. It's fun.